Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto brightness in Windows 11. Select the Start button, then enter Settings. Select Settings, System, Display. In Display Settings, select Brightness. Then clear the Help Improve Battery by optimizing the content shown and brightness checkbox. You can select the checkbox to turn this back on anytime. You have been watching a how-to tutorial by Aspiration. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click or tap that subscribe button. If you want to receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notification bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care of yourself.